welcome to NG Experiments. Today we are going to make an inverter transformer which had 4 legs and 2 legs. This I got in charger chip. This is 33 ohm resistor. We have to connect like this. So we have connected second leg to fourth leg. This is transistor. D882 transistor. We have to solder its middle leg to the first leg of our transformer. So I have connected its middle leg to our first leg of transformer. We have to connect third leg of transistor to third leg of transformer. I have connected third leg of transistor to third leg of transformer. This is heat shrink tube. Now we have to connect our negative here and positive here, and our output is these both are output. I have connected input wires positive and negative. I am keeping heat shrink tube. So now we have to solder output wires. I have connected output wires. Circuit is ready. This is 33 ohms resistor which we have connected to our second leg and fourth leg. This is D882 transistor which we have connected its middle leg to first leg of transformer, and first leg is negative wire input and this is input positive wire. We have connected third leg of transistor to third leg of transformer, and leftover two legs are our output wire which is 220 AC. Input of 3 volts to 9 volts. This is the container which we are going to keep all these things. While using this circuit, please don't use without heatsink. Tape in this container. I have made an hole for our power bank module, which will be like this. This power socket, AC power socket. We have to place it here. I have made a hole for our screws. With bolt. Screwed it. Now these both wires of output of our circuit will be here and here. This is heatsink. I have connected to the heatsink. These are output wires and these both are input wires. Now we'll stick power bank here. Place the switch. This is power bank module. Now this both wires will go to battery, positive and negative, and this will go to switch, and that switch wire will go to battery negative, and this will go to positive of battery. So we have connected all wires. Circuit diagram you can get in the description. Now we will test it. Inverter is ready. This is power socket. This is switch for breaking the circuit, and this is power bank module. The lab light which I have made, you can check the link in the description. This is bulb. So I am keeping here. I am oning the switch. This is not fake video. This is loose connection. This directly went to the here, and no extra wires. Please like this video, share the videos to your friends, and subscribe to NG Experiments for more videos, and tap the bell icon.